Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Fifth Third Bank online banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to help you navigate online banking securely and efficiently. To get started, go to the Fifth Third Bank website and log in to your account using your username and password. Make sure to use a unique and strong password and keep it confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Once logged in, you will see your account dashboard, which provides an overview of your account balances, transactions, and statements. You can also customize your dashboard to display the information that is most important to you. To pay bills online, click on the Bill Pay tab and select the bill you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and date, and confirm the payment details. You can also set up automatic payments for recurring bills, such as utilities and credit cards. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer tab and select the account you want to transfer from and to. Enter the transfer amount and date, and confirm the transfer details. You can also set up automatic transfers, such as transferring funds from your checking account to your savings account. To access your account statements, click on the Statements tab and select the account and statement period. You can view and print your statements, as well as download them to your computer. To stay on top of your account activity, set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, and other important account activity. You can also customize your alerts to fit your needs and preferences. In addition to these features, Fifth Third Bank online banking also offers a range of security measures to protect your account information. These include encryption, firewalls, and secure socket layer technology. To ensure the security of your online banking session, always log out when you are finished and close your browser window. You should also use a secure internet connection and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these best practices, you can use Fifth Third Bank online banking with confidence and convenience. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized access. In conclusion, Fifth Third Bank online banking offers a range of features and tools to help you manage your accounts securely and efficiently. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can get the most out of online banking and take control of your financial management.